Hello, I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix PayPal. You can't send money right now. This is a very common problem with PayPal, especially if you have a new PayPal account. You will receive this error whenever you try to send a money to someone you know, or for a service or a digital product. It will say something like you can't send money right now. Now, if you're using the app, what I want you to do is to use laptop, just your browser. You can also use your browser inside your phone. Just log in using the web version, and then what you need to do is to check if there are any notifications from PayPal. Now, if they are trying to verify your account or delimited your account for security reasons or anything like that, you will be able to see the message here inside the notifications icon here in the top right, and then you will be able to see the reason, and then you can confirm the identity by providing your ID or whatever they ask you to provide. Also, you need to check if the bank account or credit card are up to date and there is no problem with your credit card. Like, assuming you don't have any funds available inside your PayPal, you need to check the credit card, because that's exactly how you pay other people. Just PayPal takes the money from your own credit card, so just make sure there is nothing wrong there. You can also call the credit card company and explain to them what's happening, if there is any limit or anything like that that might cause the problem. So just make sure you don't have any problem with your bank account or your credit card. If you just linked your card like a few days ago, make sure it's set correctly. Like, you have added the correct name, you have added the correct card number, and the full expiration date. So just check these things to make sure everything is correct. You can also try a different card. You just need to click on wallet in the top right, and then you will be able to find your cards here. You can always add a new card. Okay, just add a new card, and then you can try it now and then send the money to your friend or whatever you want. You can also buy. Even if you want to buy, it will say something like that. Just click on link card, and then you can link another card, and then you can try if it's related to the card or not. Okay, so if you have any questions or anything, you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. And see you in the next tutorial. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. See you in the next tutorial.